Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you see your password on Discord. So if you want to see your password of Discord, just go to your Chrome browser. Now click the top right three dot icon. Now just click on settings. Now here you can see password manager, click on it. Now here you can see discord.com, click on it. Now you need to give your phone password. Now here you can see this eye icon here. By just clicking it, you can see your Discord password. So guys, that's how you can see Discord password. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.